is this. Today we are going to solve some pattern question. What we have to solve?
Pattern question.
Just fold your hand, beta, and look at the board. Just fold your hand, all of you, and look at the board. So what is written here? Observe the pattern. So what we have to do? Observation. What we have to do?
Observation.
है ना? Observation करेंगे और किसको observe करेंगे? किसको observe करेंगे? ये pattern को. Look at here. What is written here? 310. Afterwards क्या लिखा है हमारा? यहाँ पे था 310 and here it is 320. Here it is 330. So this is the pattern. First come. If I just hide the 100 place, what is it here? 10. What is it here?
20.
What is it here?
30.
What will come here?
40.
What will come here?
50.
What will come here?
60.
What will come here?
70.
So now, what I need to write here?
340.
We need to write here 300.
40.
Speak everyone.
360.
Okay, now come towards the next question. Stop writing, Ronak. Vedant, no. Just come towards the next question. What's the next question is? Here what is written? Will you stand up? Vivan, what is written here, bacha? 203. Afterward, what is written here? 206. 203 afterwards, 206. Are you observing something? Acha, here it is fill in the blanks. Okay, one circle is vacant, but another circle is occupied with some number. What's the number is here? 212. आपको कुछ दिख रहा? अगर यहाँ पे हम 100 और 10 place को hide करते, what do you get? 3. Now what you get?
6.
Now what will come here? 9. Here it is table of 3. और ये कितने जंप कर रहे हैं? देखो यहाँ पे 3 है. अब 20 तो बिल्कुल यहाँ पे सेम है, ठीक है, लेकिन यहाँ पे 3 आ रहा है. 3 के बाद हम कितना जंप कर रहे हैं? कितने नंबर्स हम स्किप कर रहे हैं? 3, 4, 5, 6, है ना? So what we write here? 6. फिर से हम 3 नंबर स्किप करेंगे. 7. So what we have to? No. 3 numbers skip na? 9. So what we have to write? 209. अब देखो यहाँ पे क्या आ रहा है? 3 नंबर फिर से skip के 9 के बाद 10,
11, 12.
so it is 312. Stop writing. Now what will be the next number?
250.
200. फिर से count कर 15, 16,
17, 18.
so what we have to write here?
218.
218. Now come towards the next question. Come towards the next question. It's okay, so on. ये चलता रहेगा. Now comes towards the next question. That is third question. What here it is written?
250.
250. And what is the next number?
300.
So what will be come here? What will come here? 350. क्योंकि देखो 50-50 बढ़ रहा है ना बेटा. 50-50 में ऐड ऑन कर रहे हैं ना, राइट? तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? 350. And here it is come here 400. After 400,
450.
very good. Clap your hand for Shuryanshu loudly. Yes, after 450, what will come? 500. Very good. After 500,
550.
550. Now you understand. First, whenever we are going to face this kind of question, first we have to do what? Speak in English, Prashiti. Yes. हाँ, tell me. ऐसे question में पहले हम क्या करेंगे? Observe. क्या करेंगे?
Observe.
First we have to do observation. What we have to do?
Observation.
I'm not getting your voice. Observation में हम अपने ब्रेन को यहाँ पे लगाते हैं और देखते हैं कि ये कौन सा पैटर्न जा रहा है. हम ऑब्जर्व करते हैं क्वेश्चन को, ऑब्जर्व करते हैं